Yes, so welcome to another episode of Chat's World. Welcome to another episode of Chat's World, man. Today is another day. Today is another day, man. New month, new vibes, new everything. First of all, I'm laughing, man. Sorry, man, but sorry, guys. It has not been a good January for most traders. It has not been a good and easy January for most traders, bro. And when it came to last week, the closure of the month, bro, it showed it hasn't been an easy week, man. The reason as to why I'm saying sorry, because I know most people have blown their accounts, man. Even before we dive into the analysis, if you still have your account, it's either you are very good at risk management, yes, or you are a genius trader, because I don't think the market respected any trading strategy, especially when it came to Friday and Thursday. So let me say Friday. So if you made money on Friday, please share your secret, man. We would like to know how you made money on Friday, man, because that was a very interesting day, and I would like to know what that you did different from other traders. And let's dive straight to the analysis after the apologies. This is the greatness of the market, man. It's never that serious. Don't bring emotions here. If your account went, you just relax, go find money, come back. If you still have your account, keep on trading. And please, guys, don't change your trading strategy, which has been working for you, because of these situations we are having currently. Please, that's what I will urge you. It's not about the trading strategy; it's about the market. I think the market is changing, and yes, sir. So, first and foremost, we go to gold. And as you can see, there is nothing here to analyze. There is no market structure formed. There is nothing as per our trading strategy. So we will just leave. And I think people thought gold was going to rally, because I was among one of those people who thought gold was going to rally, and we were wrong. We were all wrong. Sorry, we were all wrong, very very wrong, and we paid for it dearly. So so let's leave gold for now. This was our long levels, the areas which we wanted to long at, but it did not give us any setup. It just went and went. So I've never seen gold drop this hard. 8.9, bro. That is in percentage. 8.9 in a single day, bro. From the 50 levels here, straight to 58 up, straight to 48 levels, bro. That's almost 55. That's over $500. I think they're even $700. That's almost $1,000 in price movement fluctuation, man, which is very insane. And let's leave it. It's going to trigger PTSD. So let's go to the next one. And this is UJ. These were our levels the previous week, but remember the market opened very bearish, and let's not even delete them. Let's go to daily. So I'm going to observe and see what it's going to do at this level. But remember, for now I can't guarantee of any setup, because the market is let's say it's doing whatever it want to do. So I'm waiting for it here. As I had said, if you see this type of drop when it comes to UJ, it has to come back and recover. If you remember, I said that in the beginning of the week, but it did not happen. But I think this move is occurring right now, as as from Friday it was trying to recover these losses, and it's going to be okay. and let's wait and see if it's going to give us a setup. If it's going to give us a setup, we're going to long here. But remember, we are dealing with crazy markets, so something like that. Remember, we are dealing with crazy markets, so the level of certainty has dropped. The level of certainty has dropped because it's a different environment for us. So the next one is platinum. But remember this analysis, this one platinum. So for now, let's not bother with it. Let's not bother even analyzing it. Let's just leave it the way it is, and let's wait and see how it's going to behave. So that's 4 hour. Remember, we trade on a 4-hour range. So let's go to German 40. It has not been easy, guys. Yes, it has not been easy, and the reason why I'm saying that is because I have never been wicked twice by the same setup. If you remember, I said I took a trade somewhere here, I got tweaked, waited for the setup because I saw it was still valid, took it again, got tweaked, and the most interesting thing about it is, if you ask me if I'll take this setup again, I'll take it at that time. Do you know why? Because I believe and trust in my trading strategy. It's something that has worked for me in a very long time. So for now, let's wait and see. The reason as to why I'm saying let's wait and see, it's because I've noticed something interesting. I have noticed something interesting, and the thing is, I think there is a change of market direction. That's why I'm saying I have noticed something interesting. And in German 40, I've noticed the same. And because you are going to analyze the next thing, I will tell you why I've seen that. But for now, let's wait. We don't have a setup here. Let's wait. We still don't have a setup here. Let's observe. So remember, discipline every day while trading. So the next one is US 30. Remember, US 30 has been ranging here, and that's why we have been avoiding it. Let's wait and see which direction it's going to rally, and we can confirm and take a trade as long as there's confirmation. But I told you there's something I have noticed. Remember, we closed monthly candle closed at the end of the week, because we are in a new month. We are in a February, and I have noticed the month has closed on a bearish side when it comes to US 30. So this can bring a lot of changes when it comes to the market, and I hope I'm not right. I hope I'm wrong, because if I'm right, something is changing in the market. The direction of the market, or the movement of the market, is changing. So let's leave it there. Let's go to the next thing, which is BTC Euro. We haven't taken a trade here in a while, but this is what I meant. So the reason I'm saying there is change in direction of the market, for the past few weeks, if you look very closely at the direction or trajectory of the market, if you look very closely, BTC Euro has been falling, and same case applies to BTC USD, because they are correlating pairs. And sorry to say this is why I'm saying I hope I'm wrong. I'm thinking it's either it's a pause on the bull run on BTC and cryptocurrencies, which would be very, very, very not good for most traders, because most traders have bought Ethereum, BTC and everything. But this is a very strong bearish momentum, which is scary to see. And as someone who is more invested in these currencies, I'm encouraging my friends to start cashing out, man. Yes, it's either they sell or they change the direction in short. This is why I'm saying this, because I hope I'm wrong. Because if I'm not wrong, for example, BTC Euro moved from 105, currently it's at 65. 105, currently it's at 65. Calculate for yourself and see, that's a very big drop. That's not a small drop. If you bought at these levels, imagine you're holding all these loss. You see, because most people thought it was going to break and continue to the moon. Yes, most people are holding, man. Most people are holding. But look for the past 3 months, 1, 2, 3. It's not a good sign. That's why I'm saying something is changing in the market, and I think the Trump effect is very strong. This is not like the Biden era. I think the dominance of Trump is bringing so much changes in the market, and it's very strong. Remember, he has appointed a new Fed chairman who is going to replace Powell. I'm not sure of his name, but he has appointed a new Fed, which is very interesting. So that's why I'm saying, if you are in longs on cryptocurrencies, just be very careful. Be very careful, sir, or madam, because it's about to be tough. That's why I'm saying I hope I'm wrong, man. So let's go to the next thing. This is oil. I'm waiting for it here. For now, I'm still shorts on oil unless something else happens, and I told you I'll keep you updated. But it has going up and up for the past few days, and it's okay. So come to Ethereum. I had a setup. So last week I had taken 2 trades. That was German 40 and Ethereum. So when I woke up in the morning, I think that was on Friday, I saw everything was red, if I'm not wrong. Yes, that was on a Friday. I saw everything was red, and I had to cut my losses. So my stop loss was not hit, but I had to cut my losses early. This is why I say it's very good to teach yourself how to trade, because you understand dynamics of the market. I'm saying if you were taught how to trade on a long market, and the market currently changing its direction to bearish, it's going to be very hard for you to adapt. It's going to be very hard for you to adapt, because you need to see some changes in the market and understand them, and you can't understand them if you were taught. That's the issue, and that's why most of the traders right now are off, because they don't know what to do with these new current situations of the market. But as a self-taught trader, which is not a very easy thing, you make mistakes so many times until you start to realize where your mistakes are. It's like training on your own until you understand where you're going wrong. So nobody is showing you the way to do things. You're showing yourself. You are learning through experience. And one of the experiences that I noticed and understood about is when to cut your trades short. So when I woke up and found gold was on red, I realized cryptocurrencies were next. So I had to cut short my losses, and look at the thing. I will be in drawdown, or my stop loss would have been hit, but I got out early, and I took a loss or partial loss. So for now, let's wait and see. We don't have much. Just observing the markets, trying to understand them, and knowing that the market direction might change, and we might find ourselves in a bearish market, which would be very interesting. So please start adjusting. I'm not sure, I'm just giving an assumption, so start adjusting as early as now. If it gives us a bull, it's very good, because we have been in a rallying market. We have been in a bull momentum for a very long time. Even the whole of last year was a bull market. But for now, guys, something is changing. So adapt your trading strategies, and let's hope everything is going to be good. So for now, chat's all out. I'll give you an update on Wednesday of the market trajectory and direction, which will be very good. So yes, so chats well out. Have a profitable and great February, man. Great week. Great trading week. Yes, so chats well out.